Hey friends, right out here, and today we're going to get started on this carnival machine. 1948 Bally Carnival. So, unfortunately, I was looking at these schematics here and manual that I got. I think this is from the 57 Bally Carnival, not this one, which is unfortunate. Although that's not on Pinball Database either, so I should probably scan it and upload it. So, this is tough. I guess what I'm going to do today is kind of go through everything and see if I can figure out what's missing. They don't have a rubber kit for this one, so I need to go through and like measure them all, he said, or send him the existing ones, but the existing ones are not correct, so I gotta figure that out. We're also gonna measure the resistance of all the coils and see if they're actually still good, and maybe take them out of there or grab my calipers wherever they are and measure for all the sleeves. Because I gotta get some new sleeves because these ones are almost brass looking. This hold relay, I'm not exactly sure. We're gonna have to figure out what that does to see if it's needed or if it was something that needed when the machine wasn't stuck on free play. Because I guess I can't tell because I don't know what I'm looking at or what number it's on. And it won't step. So there's that, and then playfield here. Measure those coils. Measure the ones on the relays. Make sure they're all good. Measure the flipper coil. Make sure it's good. Measure those resistors. Make sure they're still good. Makes coin relay. Put that in a bag so it doesn't blow away. So we got a few things to do. There's not nearly as many on this as a modern machine. Once we figure out what we need, we can start stripping down the playfield to see what we can do with it. I don't think there's any in here that we need to worry about. There's that one, but we'll measure it, but I doubt that it really need to bother with it because it's not hooked up anyway. There's one down there. All right, definitely need a kit for that. And lots and lots of cleaning. All right, we'll get started and I'll see if I run into anything interesting. So I didn't make it very far. I was measuring these coils for new sleeves and stuff. This poor buddy fell apart when I took him apart to try and, because it was measured as open across the things, across the lugs there, so I took him apart a little bit. You can see he's falling apart to try and see if the wire had come loose or what, but you see it's unraveling. And that broke when I pushed at all. It may have already been broken. Problem is it doesn't have a label on it, so I don't know what coil it is. But once I got it out, it measured as good. Measured the same as that one. All of the ones back here have measured good so far. I gotta do that one up there. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this because it's unwrapping. It's got wires fraying. I don't even see the piece that fell off of it. But I guess I'll put it back together for now. Maybe look on Pinball Resource and see if they have sizes up for these things. Anyway, onwards and upwards. All right, first interesting issue. So this says triangle bumper series resistor, 30 ohms, 20 watt. All right, so we got our thing on here and it shows us shorted. If this damn wind would calm down, I could breathe. There's so much crap in my eyes. So, yeah, this one test is fine. It's just like 30.3 ohms, which is what it said. This one test is shorted, which is weird. Especially since it's triangle bumper, because the triangle bumper is this one, right? So why would that one show shorted? But we come up here and we open this switch just randomly, and it goes to 30 ohms. So for some reason, this switch on the flipper, closed or open, is in this triangle bumper here. So I don't know what that's about, if I'm being honest. The wires are so faded I can't really tell what colors they are. And dirty. That one looks like white and red, which could be right there. And then it heads off to triangle and then comes back. But that just seems weird. So keep our eye on that, but I guess the point being 30.9, that resistor is good. But yeah, if we put it on this one, this is very hard to do. This is very slippery. Okay, you may have to go. All right, so we measure 30.3. So who knows, but anyway, the point being, they're both good. We're back at the play field here. So these are the step-up solenoids. They're all the same, this 26A10. And I assume this 28E15 is what all those other two that are a little fried up there are. So I'm gonna see if we can get one of them for that place that up there that was a little beat. Anywho, this relay board, they all test good. Thing that I find weird is this is the tilt relay. This is relay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this is relay 1 through 5. But if you look close, there's no coil there. And then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 6 through 10, and there's no coil there either. 11, 12, and then 1 through 12, there's no coil there. And then these are reset things. But the point is, there's no wires for it either. And if you look, it doesn't look like there's ever was. So either those are just unused, or I don't know. They must be unused or from a different game, because all these switch stacks are the same, but it's all wired up, which is weird. So it'd be, yeah, this one. See, it's all wired up. What the hell is that about? But, I mean, the relay can never pull up or down. So I may be doing that wrong, but it's just, it seems weird to me. Oh, well, because they're all set. Uh-oh, that didn't sound good. Or, so it doesn't, okay, this is my brilliance here. So when you reset the game, push this down really hard and it resets all these relays. Right, so then you hit the coil and it knocks this down. There's 1, 2, or you hit the bumper, 3, 4, or 5, and 4, which in turn knocks down number 5 here, which if you want to go 1 through 10, you know, it's going to be still holding this up if you knock all these down. So this should knock 2 coils down. I can find the button. That's the wrong one. Good Lord. Yep, 2. Okay, that makes more sense to me. Interesting. So they don't have a coil, it just is what it is. Okay, smarter than me. And then this is gonna be kind of a bitch to push all these up. Oh, that's not so bad. Okay. So we tested all the coils, everything seems good. Except for that one that's broken over there, which still tests as good. These inserts, we're gonna have to measure those and see what color they should be, because those are coming out. I'd replace them anyway. Then we disassemble the top of the playfield and see what we can do with it. But yeah, that's about all the issues I'm seeing with this from my 2-minute deal here. These all look okay. There's the other one. Maybe just a little dirty. All the switches look to be intact. So, yeah. Anywho, this game is perplexing without a damn schematic. Anyway. Oh, there's that. It's no good. And this one's cut too. It's off that switch right there. That's not good. Anyway, we'll figure that out when we get to the switches. So we can figure out what that does. Coin relay. Oh, this is gonna be a mess. All right, well, let me know what you think. Come back next time and start tearing down this playfield. Let's get the playfield done. We'll go from there. I don't want to see if I can get it working before I do all the work on the playfield, but I don't know. We shall think about it and see what we want to do. Anyway, keep it real. Thank you for watching, and we will see you next time. Later.